who the aliens
Oh
are,
shit, maybe I
and
should
then
turn on my...
push the button.
Chat, why didn't you tell me you couldn't see anything?
You will be
fucking stuffed inside again.
They're just busy spamming memes.
Probe your shipmate.
Okay, why me?
Because you're the second name on the list.
Damn it, I wanted to draw.
Drop
Damn.
prompt on your device.
The drawing is fun.
I just did that on the order.
I can't. I really can't draw.
Mate, you should have let me draw. I would have drawn a car.
Cock.
What car? What brand of car?
Rover.
Nice.
I would have drawn a Rover SD13500 Vitesse.
John, a Dodge
How does it
Charger.
look? We're only here for the doc.
I'm really
Aw.
dumb right now. I don't know.
He got banned. The doc got banned.
Mate, I'm actually Picasso.
Hit the hurry up.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is actually sick.
Bob Ross.
Oh my god.
I like doing Bob Ross stuff. It's pretty cool.
When you're gonna do a painting shrimp of last name?
I fucked up.
Paint, like a paint along?
Yeah, that'd be mint.
Yeah, it's been a while since I did that actually.
You
It's
could
kind of
paint
fun.
the gondola.
He's gonna do one right after the waking up with them.
True.
Oh, true.
gonna happen. Wrap it up, lads.
Painting, would you
I
do
wish I
like
paint alongs, they were good.
Would you do like a Bob Ross painting or something?
After he makes the dog song.
To be honest, I don't know how to draw it.
Prompt
The dogs
human
on
song
the
was,
Dog? Dick or dog?
"Drop
Just
a happy
paint a
duck."
mountain.
So, let's see how they responded.
This one is easy. Even I can draw this.
I can't.
What the hell is that guy for lip?
I didn't know how to draw it. I swear.
Very good.
Okay. I'm
You've
really bad
never
at
done it
fucking
before?
drawing.
Someone has
Wait, who the
You
fuck
never
is...
draw
Why are you
off when
suspecting
you're-
me? What?
Mate,
I swear,
someone.
I didn't know how to draw it.
But you know how to draw the dog.
Fuck my life, seriously.
Next captain.
I feel like someone's plugged in a drawing pad and drawn a duck.
Okay, let's move on. Pick another room and test
Oh.
it. There's less than
I'm
15
just-
minutes.
That's me.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a duck pond near me, and there's lots of ducks there.
Hurry up.
Dukes.
Yeah. I'm
can
just testing the
count
next
them
4
first.
people.
Writing
Oh
is
yes, get
initiated.
in.
Cablin's 100% an alien,
Write
mate.
an answer to prompt on your device.
I tried to draw it, and then somehow I drew it from the front, and I don't know. I don't know what to say, seriously.
What do you mean, make American jokes, Nim? And now he's just spamming me with K-Kona.
If you click
Here, brother.
if you click
Speak American
you can
already.
see the drawing again, and it
Yeah,
actually looks
brother.
like a duck because of the neck.
Hell yeah.
I swear to God, my stream's been attracting the weirdest people lately.
Here's milk.
Don't hack.
Lately, look at the fucking group right now. It's full of
Yeah.
You
weird
know what, right?
dogs.
You know what really grinds my gears?
What,
when
mate?
when I say to an American, "Oh,
Yeah.
I like Rovers," I say, "Oh, do you mean Range Rover?"
Yeah.
You cheeky sob. I can't. I tell you.
Birthday party theme I had as a
Can't be
kid
having that.
was
A Rover Classic car show birthday.
Shivazi? What?
I mean, it's not a team, but we were playing with Nerf guns.
Nerf zombie.
Yeah, I realized that it was a bad answer.
Where do you live?
What does FDM
That's
mean?
legit, I'm not gonna...
Back in my day, we just shoot each other with normal guns.
Feels that, man.
Hell
Hey,
yeah.
Huna.
Feels rad, man.
Yo! Why
I
did
just went bowling for my
next
birthday.
captain
You know what I mean?
identified.
Can we see some spam from only the people with grey names in chat? Go, go, go.
Great.
New
Okay, what do
downfall.
we play?
People?
I never had a birthday
Opinions are
party.
drawing.
Oh, you scared them away.
I remember I used to play Wii Sports bowling. That was very good.
Okay, we test.
No, don't, not Kappa, chat.
Make sure you're
I
checking
didn't
out
got
those
tested.
screens
I have
all
0
the time.
tests. Go faster.
Aww,
Yeah,
picked
shut
him
up.
last.
Actually, Alien.
Kill
Stalling.
anyone.
Only 15
I
minutes.
mean, yeah, Kyberlane was the first one in the first set that was suspect with a dead
The
duck.
captain has requested a
Ah,
coin
come on.
toss.
Damn! I'm not
Is it
drawing.
me again?
What they draw could be quite
to draw.
revealing.
Oh, is it that one? Yeah.
Mate, I saw a chat of grey names the other day, and they all thought they had colours.
Wait, why?
Because like they were on like normal Twitch, so they couldn't see that they had grey names. They didn't have like chat arena, you know. They all thought they like had the default colour. They thought there was colours.
You ever notice how
Oh my god, my drawing is so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
I love grey names.
Hurry the fuck up.
You know what, right? My colour
Here's
is
the correct
a special
prompt.
colour. Do you know why?
Why, mate?
Draw
Because you are
a
special.
It's the
cipher.
exact hexadecimal code for my...
Wait, isn't it the fish?
It's the
I got hacked! I got hacked! I got hacked! Test me again!
That's a cap.
Hold on.
To draw seagull on mine.
My colour is
Isn't it
special.
that? Isn't it there a fish that's yellow and blue? That's what I was drawing. Isn't
Yeah,
that her?
Sebastian.
Going.
Sebastian.
No, Sebastian. The crab.
Sad.
Oh, what the? What's the fish then?
Wait, who's the fish?
No,
Yeah,
the fish is a sidekick. Sebastian is just a crab, innit?
Hurry.
Fish
Yeah.
and
Oh,
little.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think I would have been fucked with this.
Sorry, sorry. Sorry for
Flounder.
interrupting. Sorry for
Called
interrupting.
Flounder.
No, don't worry about it. It's fine,
And the
honestly.
title of
I was just
captain
saying,
has been passed.
my colour is special because it's the same. It's a hexadecimal value of my paintwork on the rover.
Oh my.
Yeah, but isn't that influenced by lighting and stuff?
The writing pod again. You've
What?
got it.
Isn't that influenced by lighting of the photo and
Let's
stuff?
see if there's any real
No,
responses.
because I got the colour online.
Oh. Okay.
From the paint sheet from the booklet, mate.
Do you want to know a fun fact about my color as well? It's the exact color of the fields that my skin color.
No one knows this, everyone is googling one.
Perceive.
I know everyone Google to know.
Exact colour is called copperleaf red.
Wait, I spelled it wrong. That's a typo.
Pickles?
Let
And a banana. A banana.
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 I am not an alien.
Not again, over Joe.
Mate, how is pickle not a vegetable?
It's
Even
just
if-
who the hell would pick it as their favorite?
It is, but it's not. A pickle is not a vegetable.
It's the same.
It's like a cucumber, mate, but like just worse.
Yeah, but it's not written that way. Drawing.
Who likes pickled
The ones that only
onions?
invest the ones. There we go.
Technically, pickles may be considered both a fruit and a vegetable.
Their drawings
Oh, nice.
could
Maybe
reveal-
one of those people is like, well, actually, strawberry is a nut because,
Well, actually.
You can read it on my blog.
Actually,
Yo, so
I have to pee. Doom, doom, doom.
Come on, wrap it up. Stop the stalling.
How's this Ghost of Tsushima game? Is it any good? I'm curious about it.
yeah, I will explain. It's pretty nice.
wait, what's
Did
that?
I mention that if humans use all
Hurry.
of their button pushes
What
without
game?
success,
Ghost of
you
Ghost of
lose?
Tsushima.
You do.
The gameplay is like old Assassin's Creed, but the story so far seems nice.
You know
I
what
think-
game I like?
What?
GTA 4, proper good game. That is
Does it
great.
have a rover in
It's
it?
so good.
It's got rovers in it?
Unfortunately, I'll tell you what does.
Humans,
The
though.
Getaway for PS2, it's got a rover. It's got loads of rovers in it, and I love it. I've got it on PS2 about 5 times. It's mental.
Wait, why did you make it big?
Is that fucking Stevie Wonder?
Why am I a Dracula?
It's such a bro cool guy.
Why are you a fucking cowboy?
The fucking time wizard.
Captain has been passed.
Different timelines. There was also
Okay.
Dracula.
So the suspicions for now are
Do the
Shivizi,
best, yeah.
Kai Berlin, and who else? Laden?
Yeah, I think so.
Why me?
Yeah, Laden.
But I got hacked on mine.
I said suspicions.
Mate, why do I keep him? Mate, I'm not. It's clearly not me.
Let's have a
Wait, put
gander.
the people. We just talked about the people we suspect. And you're putting like
I like
Laden,
this
Shibizi.
But if they're all in there,
Okay, Nim, why are you?
Wait,
Why,
who was it?
What? Why am I what? Why am I trying to win the game?
You're trying to distract.
No, I'm
I
not.
don't know who
Ah,
was.
sure.
Panic, panic, panic.
Stalling.
I don't know who.
Mate, it's not me, bro.
Stolen.
Falling.
I'm trying to not fall.
hurry the
What's Rover? Fast.
Zoil.
Oh, it's actually a Rover on there. Hey, it's okay, it's okay, go.
Go.
Back to the writing
It's
pod.
fine.
Glad you like it.
But it's Zoil.
I don't
Let's
think it
see
is
if there's
Zoil.
any weird
Yeah.
responses.
Maybe I was wrong.
Click
The
at the
thing is,
back.
if all the aliens are in the same game, then it doesn't really matter because
Fuck, it
they
doesn't
the same
fit.
thing.
Why not?
Just turn human.
Wouldn't they all?
Mine
Get...
doesn't fit, but it's good. You guys don't understand. It's only one letter missing. And I changed one letter to make it funnier. Lol.
Hurry,
Once
hurry,
you think
hurry,
you figured it
hurry,
out,
hurry, everybody,
don't be
hurry.
afraid to push that button.
Stop stalling and hurry up.
And the prompt for humans
Please don't hack me
was
because my answer is too good.
the best movie to quote
Nice.
in your writing
Oh.
I got hacked again.
No.
I thought it's just...
Well,
Yeah, she told
I'm
me
sorry,
that-
but
Oh, I thought it was a quote, not a movie.
Yeah, it's...
What the hell is this?
Yeah, it's a movie.
It's
The
a-
best movie to quote, and then people are typing out the quote.
Dead or alive? You're.
Ah, we got hacked.
Yeah, okay.
read the best movie.
No, I just read it wrong. I thought it was best movie quote.
Oh, that's so
Yeah,
inconvenient,
I
dude.
like that as well.
why is Borat?
Yeah, now that I think about it, that's kind of suspicious.
Cultural learning on how to make what is it?
Isn't that like, doesn't Borat have the start where he talks about how his sister is like the best prostitute and then he kisses her or something? Is that what you're gonna go with?
Captain,
Of
you're
America
on
for
the
make
clock.
benefit glorious nation of Kazakhstan. That's the one.
I like the naked fight on
the
Borat.
best,
It's
Gunnar.
really good.
Mate, Borat's alright, but Ali G is well good.
Oh yeah, wicked
Hurry.
jungle is massive.
Robbie.
Hurry
Yeah.
and fucking choose something.
Who is it?
Hurry the fuck up.
Roppy.
Sorry.
Okay.
No, bioscanner.
Oh, boy.
Good
He
man.
is alien.
Small
He is
confession.
alien.
NymN
I
is
have
good
no
with
idea
this.
where we're going.
I think
This
I think
one's
it's
really
a
good if
analogy
you're-
as well, you know.
Well, they put Laden. He was suspected.
This is
Oh, no,
Bioscanner.
just
I hope
hurry.
you've chosen a team you can trust.
So don't waste time here.
Captain,
Team
accept
Papija.
the correct glyphs
Not this
now.
again.
It's better to hurry. I don't think we
Come
can
on,
do that.
describe it. Describe it. What are you doing?
Describe.
Everybody, shut up.
Hurry the fuck up.
It's not even talking. Let's hurry.
Roppy?
Roppy, you're muted or something. Talk. You have to explain.
Oh.
Explain for you.
It's like a tree.
Actually,
It's like a
alien.
tree.
Okay.
First one is like a tree farm.
Darling.
Yeah, I learned from him. But the second one is from a U-turn, if you know, if you can drive at least.
What are you on about?
What? The tree fall in a U-turn? What?
What bloody
The second one
funky
is a
U-turn
tree
that
farm,
looks like
the
a
second
bloody
one is a
U-turn?
U-turn. Well, if at least if you
How many
can
dots
drive.
there are on the first one? How many dots on the first one?
Two.
Right.
Where?
okay. Right, that's
Where?
fine.
Two. The second
Where
one.
are the dots?
What?
In the middle. In the middle. It's
In
like
the middle.
yeah. if
In
you
the
have, like-
middle.
Are you talking
Okay,
about
no.
the tree or the U-turn right now?
Guys,
Okay, just hurry. Just hurry.
You have to do
we're
the.
fucking
You have
up
to
already.
get to the last one.
You got this, you got this.
You have to get to the last one. You have to get to the last one.
Right.
You have to get to the last one.
I put three random ones. Always lucky.
Oh my god.
Hey,
Starting in the middle of the timer wasn't good.
right, can I just ask?
How is that you?
How is that? Oh, it's like a
A
road.
fallen tree.
No, it's like a road.
Can I just ask?
Wait, did Laden get them all right? How the fuck did you do
no,
that?
the middle one, the middle
I
one.
voted 3 random ones. I only got 1 right.
Can I?
Oh,
can
you
I
did?
ask?
Okay, yeah.
I mean, at this point, it's not really their
Why
fault.
did you
It's
think-
Robin's.
We're on the clock here, people.
How is that a falling tree?
No, I didn't say falling tree. I just said it's a tree.
No, the first one he said it was a falling tree.
You actual clown.
Is the glitching getting worse? I feel like it's getting worse.
Actual
Next
fucking
time,
clown.
please.
Fuck, am I gonna be the captain or not? Am I literally the last one? Come on,
Hurry
Zoe.
the fuck up!
Hurry.
Drawing.
Bias scanner if you know how to explain.
Don't do.
Never mind.
Yay, drawing time. People happy.
Let me in.
Oh no, I hate drawing.
What's up?
No,
I'm good.
I'm really bad at
Can
drawing.
you pee for me?
Another drawing test?
Sorry.
Okay, so
Oh, what?
Okay.
What they draw. could
Wait,
be
I want to-
quite
I don't see the
cool.
prompt.
I wanna draw.
It's bugged for me.
But
I cannot see this
Let
side.
it come and trash panda.
Okay.
4 minutes. Hurry.
Panic.
Okay, so
team.
team, what's our plan right now? Who are we suspecting here?
Kick you and then
think-
take over the ship.
I think Shiba Z and Kai Berlin are 100%.
I think-
Then maybe someone else.
I only have Rocky right now here on my suspicious list.
I'm thinking it's Sammy 1G and Vadicus.
Bandit.
And a bunch of
God, I'm
people.
so bad at.
I'm chicken.
I don't want to be loved again.
I think at the end of the game you can see the prompts that got hacked. People that got hacked on the prompts.
That,
Shit,
I
if you
got
love,
that twice in a row.
if you love my drawing, I ban you.
I'm chicken. I'm gonna, yeah.
the thing is, you can't get hacked in the first 2 rounds. So if you fuck up, then
Isn't that only during
Yeah.
tutorial?
We didn't have a territorial. Yeah.
What we have in
We skipped tutorial.
Transferring.
Oh, okay.
Humans were given this prompt.
You having out good for your tea tonight, lads?
Draw.
I just
Pumpkin.
might.
Let's see.
What the fuck?
Kai Berlin, you were saying?
I got so fucking hacked.
What is that?
He drew a fucking Omega Lul.
Okay.
Why does
Caberlin, this is obviously suspicious, but what's Shiba Z drawing? Is that a ball?
It's a volleyball, mate. Rocky wants a fucking cookie. Why is there a cookie?
Jupiter?
It's fucking Jupiter.
We're on the
Good
clock
thing
here,
Nani
so
isn't
let's
watching.
keep it going.
We have somehow.
Rocky also, it sounds
Yeah, it seems rotten that.
Yeah.
Some other
Okay.
pumpkins here over in the Netherlands. So.
Mate, me bloody
looks like a
anti-viral.
melon.
Next captain.
Is-
Go,
Mate.
go.
2 minutes. Better melt
You
out.
can do 1 more, I think.
There's less than 3
Go
minutes.
fast.
Panic.
I was not the captain at all. What?
Fast.
Fast. Hurry.
People happy. I mean,
Hey Jim, tell them Zoe only got tested twice the whole game.
I
Yeah,
told you
it's not me
Zoe.
though. It's not me.
I promise you it's a Zoe.
Mate, I'm human.
Do we have to decide after this one?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so fucked.
Oh no.
Okay, it's pretty tame, but I know it's some weird
I
topic.
was
Whoa.
I was gonna write the meme answer, but I didn't.
Wow, that's a very adult decision of you.
Yeah,
Kick him.
Minecraft.
because it's
Get
too
out of here.
disgusting even for a meme answer.
Challenge received. The weirdest
Was gonna
thing I
write
like-
pineapples.
I didn't get hacked.
Not as real sweet.
I sure hope these responses were
Rover engine oil. Why do you do this? It's impossible to play with you. I don't know if you're memeing or if you're an alien.
why do you alien me? What?
I believe it, Joe.
I didn't write that.
What? What do you mean you didn't write that?
He's wrong.
Salami's
Hurry
taste.
the
though,
fuck
what
up.
do you mean?
This is really hard.
So do you actually like pineapple?
How is...
No, I don't, but
Okay, you're
it's
up.
one
Captain.
I was thinking of.
Can we gotta go, right?
There's less than
I
one
yeah.
minute.
Gonna melt out.
Click
Oh,
the
yeah,
button.
we have to go.
Okay.
Olive.
Okay, bear with me here.
No, it's NymN.
Only NymN talking.
No, what?
No, but you have,
Shut the fuck
we have,
up!
we have 40 minutes installed here. We have 40 minutes.
Why me? What?
We have 40 minutes.
Melted.
Everybody be quiet. I'm thinking. Okay, how does this look?
I'm human. I'm human. I'm human.
No.
Mods?
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Look at them!
I'm human.
I can't check.
It's Roppy. It's Roppy. Roppy is the most suspicious one. You didn't even put him in.
I can't probe now.
He had two clean ones. And Bor isn't that crazy.
The pumpkin is terrible.
Look at the guys I promoted. Tell me they don't look suspicious.
Why is the vote?
Everyone probe. Everyone probe. Oh my god,
Look at the
I
answer.
can't probe when you click the button.
No, you can still probe.
You only get 1 minute.
Alien.
So act quickly.
Oh, I him.
What the fuck is this?
Why am I here, bruv? I didn't do anything wrong.
Mate, I'm pretty sure
no,
that's the same as
What?
last time.
What are you smoking, Devon?
Only because
No.
No, look at the answer. It's not me. It's not me. It's not me.
yeah,
It's
I'm
not
not
so-
I'm human. I'm human.
Draw Little Mermaid sidekick. Lad and put a seagull.
I'm human.
I got hacked. I got hacked. After that, all my answers were right.
No, all your answers after that are still bad.
I'm human.
Yeah, like this, like this.
I got hacked 3 times.
Everybody vote yes.
Time to vote.
Panic, 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 panic.
Now I'm here.
That's the one I have here.
Captain Alex.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
I only had one wrong answer.
Roll.
I'm not sure.
Zoil.
Yeah, mate.
I know it's not this one, but I don't have any better option.
Who do you think instead?
Wait, what
Roll.
happened?
Don't run out of button
They
pushes,
refuse.
humans. Okay, you're
Ugh.
up. Let's go.
They know probably
Come on,
hacked the entire game.
30 seconds. I'm panicking, I'm panicking.
Figure it out. I have to use my nephew's
Panic
vantage
basket.
Who
So
will
roll.
isolate?
Who do you want to
30
replace?
seconds.
Mate, it's Kyberlin.
I need to
Yes.
check.
Chat, who do you think it is, chat?
I have this. Do I change it one?
Yeah, like this, but roll declined it last time.
I have to check one more time.
You'll
With
forfeit
them
the
rolling.
round if you don't
Come
act.
on, you know I had that.
I'm gonna begin the vote. I think it's this one.
I'm rolling just.
I actually think it's Laden, but he's still on the bottom,
Time to
so.
vote.
Yes.
Yeah, just fuck me
Yeah.
up already.
No, send him out to hack.
It's not me. I'm actually human.
I didn't have time to actually check.
Nah, there's definitely one more on board here.
Mate, you watch none of us.
It's not Kyberlin.
Oh!
Wait.
Yes.
Oh!
Yes.
No!
It's Laden, it's Laden, it's Laden, it's
That was too far. That was too far.
Mate, that's bullshit, that.
You guys only probed me twice, thank you.
Who the fuck hacked me?
Yeah, but where were you when we needed you?
Mate, that was nah, man. Mate, that's rigged.
It's too easy for the aliens, I think. This game is not fair.
No, we're taking too long to make the votes. That's the
Nah,
problem.
I'm just an amazing player, dude. I'm just amazing.
Raid.
Never fucking lucky.
Baby Raid.
Like same
I
player.
told you, I was.
Everyone is simping.